Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing this toy tractor. It's actually pretty cool. There is a battery pack that is included that is in here. You just kind of move this. Let's see if I can show you real quick without it. That's the battery pack. You just attach it to the wires. It's real easy to do. Now I'll see if I can put it back together. It's hard to do when it's moving. Then you use this little thing to make sure the battery does not fall out. And then you have your remote. Let me show you the remote real quick. This is what the remote looks like and all your functions on your remote. And let's see what this thing can do. My husband's playing with it right now, so we'll see what all it does. Let's just watch. It does have lights and sounds on the cabin too, as you can see. Let me see if you can see the lights flashing maybe. It's kind of cool. It flashes like reds and blues. And then you can shut it off whenever you want. So that's pretty cool. This is actually a cool toy for kids and adults alike. It's a lot of fun. I know even my dad wanted to play with it when I first got it, so it's pretty fun and it's a pretty cool toy, and it's awesome for even just if you find something in the ground that you might want to play around and dig up. That's pretty cool too. Anyways, I love this toy. Everybody seems to love this toy. All the kids love it, and you can spend countless hours out here having fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. See you next time.